What's up you guys, and welcome to another video. I hope you're having an amazing day out there. So for today's video, we are creating the look that I'm wearing on my right eye, and beware, we're only creating the eye part, so nothing else, because I was actually just playing around with makeup and I was like, you know what, this is actually a really cool look, why not share it? So before we get into the video, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also subscribe if you haven't done that already. So we're just gonna get right into the video. Okay, so first up, what we're going to do is we're going to deepen our crease, and I'm going to do that by using my Tarte Clay Play palettes, because I figure it has a lot of neutral tones and I just think it's an absolute fabulous palette to use for this kind of work. And so we're just going to dip into the color Stone, which is this shade right here, and I'm dipping into a fluffy brush. This is my MAC 224, and I've already primed my eyes using a concealer. So what we want to do here is we just want to go into our crease like really lightly and dust it up. We just want to create some dimension, and we just go back and forth and in circular motions like this. Simple and done. Like, that's all. Next up, what we're going to do is we're going to start by drawing our eyeliner. And what I'm going to be using is my Tarte Maneater eyeliner. And for this, what I do is I just measure my eyebrow and the beginning of my eye. That's the shape I want. And as you can see by this eye right here, we want a really small liner. So I'm going to grab my finger and I'm going to tug my eye, and then I'm going to close it, and I know I measure my eyebrows, and then I just pull a line. I would actually like this to go even further out. So what I'll do then is I'll just stamp it on instead, like this. Because I just want to go a little bit further out, but not too much. And you can also see that it's going like kind of like a bow. Now what you want to do is you want to continue with the rest of your eye. So we're going to draw a small line just inside the inner corner of your eye. Now for this part, what you want to do is you want to compare it to the other eye and see, are they pretty much similar or are they completely different? And then you just want to tone it up, you want to thicken it up, you want to thin it down. What we want to do next is we want to grab our white eyeliner, and I'm using a NYX Professional Makeup white liquid eyeliner. Unfortunately, I wouldn't recommend this for an eyeliner at all because it's really crusty, but this is the one I have on hand for the moment, and I wanted to show you like how it could turn out if you're actually using a good eyeliner. So we're gonna start at inner corner and try to make it thin and go thicker. So we're gonna do like this. I'm going to grab my liner and I'm going to start right above the black liner. So you just really want to follow the contours on the black liner, but above it. Something like this. It's not perfect, but it's a good start. And now what you want to do is you want to thicken it up. So you're going to start at the end here, and you're going to decide pretty much what length you want and what shape you want. I want to go a little bit curved, so I'm going to focus on my eyebrows and curve it upwards like this. And also this part right here, you want it to go above your crease, because if it goes in your crease, it's just going to be hidden. It's not, you're not gonna see it. So think about it like if you look down like this and then you see your crease, you want to make sure that the line is above your crease. And like I said, don't worry about messing up the black color because we're gonna fill it in either way. I think I have the thickness I want. What I'm gonna do now is we're going to move on to the smaller part, just the part above our crease. My crease is right there, and I just want it a little bit above. Now what you're gonna do is you're going to connect it and just extend it a little bit right out here. Stamp on a little color, and then when you've done that, this is when you want to draw like the final tail on this side right here. So look down and then just draw like with the lightest hand, so you get like a tiny stroke so that it becomes like a little tail. And don't be scared to actually extend the tails until they're actually the similar length. So if you can see that, oh, this one is a little bit too long, then just extend this a little bit and it's going to be as even as it can get. So that's pretty much what we're gonna do now. You're just going to fix in the parts that you think are a little bit uneven, that are not the right size, and that are the size you don't like. Okay, and now for the fun part. What you want to do now is we're going to draw in like the Cleopatra cat eye just in the inner corner. And for that, you pretty much just stamp your brush. You look at the shape of your eye and you follow it. So you follow your tear duct and you just stamp on the color like this. With the lightest hand you have, you draw almost like an arrow. And then after that, you follow it, your tear duct, to your under eye. And there we go. And if you mess up here, clean it up using a Q-tip, dip it in some micellar water. You just clean up the edges you don't want. Okay, so now that I clean up how I want it, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go back in with my black color. So with my black eyeliner, and I'm just going to fill in the parts. Like for instance, here I can see that I messed up with the white, and I'm just gonna paint it over like this. We've fixed it up a little bit, and I think it just looks a lot better when you just clean it up with your eyeliner. So next up, what we're gonna do is we're going to go in with some shimmer color. And the reason I didn't do this before is because if you mess up your eyeliner so bad that you actually need to go in with some micellar like underneath or on top, it's going to look really bad if you go in with the shimmer. The shimmer is going to hide the imperfections that you've had to clean up throughout the process of making this eyeliner. So for me, I'm just going to go into the TATI Beauty Texture Neutral palette, and I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is the Aura Metallic. I'm going to take it just like a veil on top of my lid, and then a little bit on the brown and a little bit in my crease, but like I said, not on the eyeliner, just like a veil on top. And also I'm going to add it to my brow bow like this. And then we're going to move on to mascara, and today I'm using Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara because I think it really extends my lashes, and I want like the false lash effect, but I don't want to have to use falsies. So I'm just applying some mascara, and because I've been using the NYX white eyeliner, I can feel how it cracks when I lift my eyebrows, which I don't like. So like I mentioned, I love NYX products, like seriously, I love their products, but this eyeliner, I know it's an old one and it's not newly released, but it is not good. And there we go, you guys. So this is pretty much the finished look. This is how the eyeliner turned out. I think it's a stunning look. I'm a little bit disappointed in the eyeliner itself, but that's the one I had in hand, and that's the one I was playing with when I figured I would show you this look. I really hope that you liked this video anyways, and that you actually found it helpful, because I know these kinds of looks can be really difficult, and they were for me in the beginning, but now I feel like the more I do them, the easier they get. What you can also do to brighten this look up is you can actually apply any kind of waterliner. So I would normally just like apply a white waterline because this look is really funky as it is. That's pretty much everything I have for this video. I really hope that you enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you want to join me on more creative looks and makeup journeys. And I'm really looking forward to see you in my next video. You have a lovely day now. Bye!